Hi, this is Mr. Hood, and we're going to simplify an expression using order of operations. As you can see, this expression has quite a few operations in it, but in math, we have a specific order in which we follow each time. So, first things first, we're always going to simplify inside of grouping symbols. So in this case, we do have a set of grouping symbols, parentheses. So we're going to simplify that part first. So, 4 minus 2 is 2, and then we're just going to drop everything else down. Next, we're going to look to see if we have an exponent to evaluate. And we do. So we're going to take care of that part. 2 to the second power is 4. And then we're just going to let everything else drop. Now at this step, we're either going to multiply or divide. So we've got a multiplication going on there, and we've got a division problem going on there. So which one are we going to look at first? We always work from left to right. So since 3 times 2 is the first thing we find, moving left to right, let's do that one first. That's 6, and we're going to let everything else drop. And now we're going to take care of the division. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Let everything else drop. And now last step is to either add or subtract. And again, in this case, we always work from left to right. So we're going to do the 6 minus 2 part first and get 4, and let the plus 9 drop. And then finally, that last step, 4 plus 9 is going to give us 13. So to summarize, we're always going to simplify inside of grouping symbols first. We're going to evaluate exponents next. We're going to multiply or divide next, depending on which one comes first. And then we're going to add or subtract, again, depending on which one comes first, moving left to right. And we have a handy little acronym to remember that. It's called GEMDAS.